Are you having reunion dreams versus budget reality? Do this. A family reunion moment.
You ever get that family group text, reunions in Miami this year, and you're like, Miami? My wallet's still stuck in last year's reunion. Listen, I love my people, but sometimes the family reunion plans got five-star dreams on a gas station coffee budget. So today, we're breaking it down. Real talk, real tips, and a few wild ideas to help you make it to the reunion without selling a kidney or hitchhiking across state lines. Look, between the flight, hotel, shirts, and bring a dish costs, that reunion trip can feel like you're planning a wedding. Then here comes cousin Reggie talking about it's just once a year. Yeah, so is my rent payment, Reggie. Honestly, a lot of us want to show up, but life be lifing. Groceries up, gas up, bills up, but the love for family's still strong. All right, here's how you can make it happen without breaking down your checking account. Tip 1, start a reunion fund early. Throw 10 to 20 bucks a week into a separate account or cash jar labeled reunion money. You'll be surprised how fast it adds up when you stop buying those $7 lattes. Tip 2, carpool and split costs. If your family's within driving distance, group up. 4 people in one car cuts gas and tolls big time. Yeah, plus you get quality car karaoke. Tip 3, ask about early bird payments. A lot of reunion planners will let you pay in small chunks. 25 here, 50 there. Treat it like a bill, not a surprise. Tip 4, don't sleep on side hustles. Sell old stuff online, do a weekend gig, or even bake and sell your famous pound cake. Let your reunion fund itself. Tip 5, team up on rooms. Hotel too pricey? Split an Airbnb with cousins. You'll save money and have someone to argue with about the thermostat. And listen, if this year just isn't possible, it's okay. You can still stay connected, join the Zoom calls, send a message, share a memory in the family chat. Reunion isn't just a location, it's the connection. But if showing up is the goal, start planning now. Don't wait until the group text says, final payment due tomorrow. That's not motivation, that's stress. So whether your money's funny or your wallet's whispering no, remember, family is worth the effort, but not your peace of mind. Plan smart, laugh through it, and show up when you can. Because at the end of the day, the reunion's not just about the place, it's about the people. Now go check that couch for loose change. You might already be halfway to the reunion fund.